people running around, searching for high ground, hustling around town to turn their lives around, fighting a losing battle, living in pain and struggle, getting caught up in hurdles and puddles. But my trust is in Jehovah, my Father and my Maker. Everything that I need, He gave me everything on a platter. Yeah, my trust is in Jehovah, my Father and Creator. You are all that I need, and you are everything in between. Oh, you are all that I require, omnipotent Father, Abba like no other, closer than a brother. Always on my mind, never sleep, you never slumber. When I call you, you answer. Oh, you are all that I require, omnipotent Father, Abba like no other, closer than a brother. Always on my mind, never sleep, you never slumber. When I call you, you answer. All that I require, all that I require, and all of my desires. Anything I need or want, I know I can come to you in prayer. I know you will answer, Father like no other. Some trust in horses and chariots, but not them, no. Cause my trust is in Jehovah, my Father and my Maker. Everything that I need, He gave me everything on a platter. Yeah, my trust is in Jehovah, my Father and Creator. You are all that I need, and you are everything in between. Oh, you are all that I require, omnipotent Father, Abba like no other, closer than a brother. Always on my mind, never sleep, never slumber. When I call you, you answer. Oh, you are all that I require, omnipotent Father, Abba like no other, closer than a brother. Always on my mind, never sleep, you never slumber. When I call you, you answer. Always I require, always and forever, you're with me, with me. One time, let's go. Yeah. King of the universe has beautified my life. Yeah. King of the universe has beautified my life. You make everything brand new, Daddy. No longer bound, you make me free. Now your grace and mercy I did see on a daily. Showers of blessings don't they so body. Joy for the morning, beauty for ashes. You changed my whole story. Now I sing your praises, King of glory. I'll let the whole world know what you have done for me, what you have done for me. Yeah. My beautifier has beautified my life, taking away the pain, taking away the shame. My beautifier has beautified my life, giving me a new name. It is you working inside me, pulling my heartstrings. Beautifier, for your glory you have made me, for all the world to see. Beautifier, joy for the morning, beauty for ashes. You changed my whole story. Now I sing your praises, King of glory. I'll let the whole world know what you have done for me, what you have done for me. Yeah. My beautifier has beautified my life, taking away the pain, taking away the shame. My beautifier has beautified my life, giving my eyes glued, I will not turn from you. I will wait on, I will wait on. Hallelujah, yeah, praise you forever. Hallelujah, yeah, everlasting Father. Hallelujah, yeah, your reign is forever. I will praise you forever, my King, my King, my King, forever, my King. You're the one that I trust, God. Everything that I have, I give. You're the one my heart beats for. I will praise you forever, my King. Hallelujah, yeah, praise you forever. Hallelujah, yeah, everlasting Father. Hallelujah, yeah, your reign is forever. I will praise you forever, my King, my King, my King, forever, my King. What's up, chat? What up? What up? How you guys doing?
Yeah. First giving honor to God, to Miss Carol who had first brought me and my moms, to the church where I know I ain't been in so long. I just pray that when I call, they still pick up the phone. Yeah. With judgment coming from all angles, I never defend myself for approval from strangers when they don't give a damn about my kids. Shit, you ain't gotta pray for me, just pray for them. And pray for my mama, pray for my sis. We miss my granny, we need her at times like this. To think I prayed for the world to be back open, just to lose both of my grandparents to COVID. And pray for every one of my little cousins, who was really more like sisters and brothers. I gotta thank them for sharing their dad, cause growing up he was really all that I had. You know, growing up at a young age, my pops got deported to Jamaica, and my uncle stepped up and was the father I never had. So when I say like, gotta thank my little cousins for sharing their dad, they really shared their dad with me. He was the father figure I never had. And he really part of the reason why I am the way I am today, and why I'm as successful as I am in this very moment. Instead of arguing on live, I should have prayed with T-Fly. I could have got straight to the point instead of letting jokes fly. I should have called Ty, cause he don't struggle with his pride. If it was up to him to push it, still be alive. So pray for me, pray for YG, pray for PC, pray for TC, pray for Reem, Ace, Jade, and Clean, India and Ty, forever be the squad. Gotta pray for Teddy, gotta pray for Lays, Big S and Lil S, I love them both the same. They're a big part of the reason why I didn't bang, and that's a big part of the reason I'm still here today. So pray for Miko and pray for LMA. Everything we done together kept our family straight. Pray for anybody rocking the 10 Summers chain, and any other homies that I didn't name. You know, it's a lot of homies I ain't naming shit, man. Pray for B-Wade, a real childhood friend. Pray for Nora, my assistant, man. Pray for Shako, the handicapped foodie. Pray for my engineer, David. We've been in this motherfucker day in, day out, blood, sweat, and tears for 5 years. Pray for my niggas, Data and Glove, man. Them niggas kept us safe so many motherfucking nights. Pray for my nigga Uno, too, man. You know, I can't do this shit without thanking that nigga K-Dot, man. He came through, swang through with the #1 right before the album drop. I ain't even need no rollout. So you gotta pray for him. Pray for Auntie Dot.
All right, chat. How you guys doing? Good morning, everyone. Welcome to a brand new day. We're moving up. We're moving and moving and moving here. We're moving up. 5 minutes for close. Before this 1 hour close, I'm gonna do the top down analysis now. So so the weekly is trying to drive up now on price. The weekly is trying to drive up now on price. So this is the weekly where we're trying to, my the last Friday analysis on the price on the weekly, it's gonna look like this, right? And then we expect probably like this on this week candle.
And we have CPI later tonight on the NY session, so we might have some volume for the NY session, right? But the daily time frame, once you re-break the previous candle low on the price here, you will see move towards to the upside here. Minimum this range. Once you re-break this, all right, in the daily candle. So yeah, we expect that once you re-break that, we're gonna move at least 100 pips, 70 pips there. On the four, we see that we're moving up and we have bullish structure here on price, and this candle close above the range. So we wait this in the yesterday candle, right? No candle close. Right now we have close for our candle close above the range. So right now we're gonna expect that this candle will pops up towards to probably wick fill on the left hand side. We have still range on price. We still have good range here on price, right? So we expect that happen in the next 1 hour candle here. So the 1 hour candle, as you can see, we're driving up. We're breaking out the range here. So this is the recent range. So right now, as you can see, we have bearish close here on price, and we anticipating that this candle we're gonna fill the range on the left hand side on the next candle. But I want to see top wick enable for me to take buy. But right now we're breaking out, right? We're breaking out. There's a lot of volume on this candle. Now I want to see top wick first, right? Top wick on this. So 30 minutes. Want to see top wick enable for us to take buys up. All right. So yeah, there's a lot of volume on the next candle. So pay attention. Here the resistance. So yeah, pay attention. That's the gonna wait. I wanna see top wick. We have minor. This is just a minor resistance level on price. Okay. But if I can use 1 hour 1 hour re-break 1 hour flip enter probably, but yeah, 1 minute and 41 seconds here. So let's see, there's a lot of potentials here on buys up, because once you re-break the high, you will expect volume to push further up, at least here, right? So expect this happen once you re-break that. And then once you react there, yeah, probably once the candle reacted there, yeah, it's gonna look like this, and then hover, and probably push down or push up even further. Right, 1 minute here. Let's see, 1 minute, 1 hour close. So the 15, as you can see, the 15 doesn't look good on price. This one is a little bit choppy here. Choppy on this one. Printing side by side, I don't like that. And the 33 candles are closing. So let's see. I'm bullish for this, trend. I'm bullish on 1 hour. So 1 hour close, at least you close above the range here on price. So yeah, it's gonna be interesting. 9 seconds here. New 1 hour open. So locked in here, gang. Once candle flip, I probably gonna enter a trade. Mm-hmm. Buy limit on the flip of the candle. Not yet. I will tell you guys if I'm in already, okay? Not yet, not yet. For our I'm still not in chat. I'm not in. So I need to wait for flip of the candle enable for us to push further up. This candle don't flip, so we probably gonna wait for the next candle, but we need to wait to flip. The 15 close respecting on price, but the 30 the same. The one close above. Mm-mm. Didn't flip. So we need to see flip first and pull back and then buy limit on the second re-break. Didn't close. Mm-mm. Yeah, once it flip, let it flip. So okay, it flipped now. Once you go bearish and then re-break the previous candle high, that's gonna be the enter. All right. So I wanna see in my broker didn't see I didn't see any bearish. So it went it this candle go to bearish, and then once you re-break the high, that's the probably the enter. So pay attention. All right. So um it's gonna be the buy limit once you re-flip, once you re-break the high, probably gonna enter. All right. So pay attention. All right, I'm activated on buys here. I'm activated on buys. Stop loss probably keep below this candle wick. But but if we this candle push further down, I probably gonna manage. All right, so yeah, activated on buys. Oh yeah. Keep in mind the 30 close respecting here, but the 1 hour is pushing up here. The 1 hour is pushing up. So let's see. The 5 struggled to push up. At least we feel the wick on the left. That's the advantage. This here. And resistance. Let's see. Can we push further up? Oh. What happened? Boom, 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 boom. So once you re-break this low here, probably 4 minutes for candle to close. Yeah, this looks good on price. Once you close bearish like that, yeah, it's gonna look like this. And then the next candle will pops up probably to push further up here. So yeah, let's see. Let's see, man. I'm pretty bullish on the day here because I want to see re-break the high there. You retest that, you will see move. You'll see spike up. But the problem here is the 4 hour. But I want to see close above the range, so it will continue pops up. One, two, three, 4 or 5 minutes candle struggle. 3 minutes for candle close. Can you push even further here? 2 minutes for candle close. 2 minutes. For me, this is not the strong one. It's gonna be the weak fill for me, because the 1 hours you can see here, it's good for weak fill up because it's bullish candle. So I don't know why it struggled here. Give me a second. Let's see now in 1 minute. So this looks good in the 15. So probably there's no sell. Sell is activated once you reflip here. So there is sellers here, but if this candle closed like that, yeah, we expect that the next candle impulse entry here on the rebreak, it's good, boom, to push further up. All right. Don't want to push. Oh, you rebreak the high there. Didn't push through. Let's see. One more rebreak. One more rebreak. Don't want to push. So, what I'm gonna do? No volume here. No volume, man. Let's see what will happen here. Probably, if this pipe keep pushing down, probably gonna manage the trade. Doesn't look good. Didn't push through up there. The one didn't push through. Mhm. Re-break the low. Once you flip, man. Once this 15 flip, it will pops up like this. That's gonna be good. If not, I need to manage the trade. Let's see. I'm still bullish because you're reacting here. You're still reacting on this zone. So I probably still bullish here on price. Once you re-break the high, it will blast off. So can you re-break the high one more time here? In 9 minutes. I don't know why it take time here on price. If you re-break now, that would be amazing for us. The 30 is tiring because we are in the resistance area on price, right? On the 30. But if there is a lot of volume, this 30 will just fill the range on the left hand side. Will just fill this wick. Highly likely. So yeah, we're pushing up now. Once you re-break the high, that would be nice. Can you re-break the high now and push further up? Nice one, okay? Re-break one more time and then push further up. Oh, didn't re-break. Struggle here, gang. Struggle to push further up. Struggle on 5. Oh. If it re-breaks the high, what will happen next TP? You can see this. The next TP is fill the range, fill the wick. This one at least. But struggle here. once you retest the low, it will push further down. So probably gonna manage trade. Oy, doesn't look good. Let's see in 6 minutes here. Once you re-break that, we'll push further up. So now there is seller activated on price here. Re-break the low. Yeah, they probably activated here on price. Because now you have resistance form, right? Here. And they activated here on sales. Entering their sales here. Re-break the low. One, two, three, four, five, six, 7 candles. 5 minutes candles are pushing down, man. After you re-break, the high didn't push through. Not good. Man, the 5 is chopped now. Choppy, man. All right, we're pushing up now, chat. We're pushing up heavy here. Can we push more? Give me a second. Ay. Re-break the high again. So, yeah, man. Why not pushing up? Don't want to push further up here. Not good. Probably the next 15. Probably the next 15. So I'm still on the trade. I don't manage anything. So I'm still bullish here. I want to see re-break the high and push further up. Let's see. How many of you guys are in the buys too? Drop in the chat. I don't get it. There's not really a big sign that's a strong rejection zone. What is struggling? Yeah, sometimes it happen like that. Because they wanna be, the buyers and the sellers be activated. So like what I've said earlier here, we have resistance form now there, right? And then the sellers been activated here on price. So second time re-break. Yeah, probably gonna manage here. Didn't push further up. So now the resistance on the 30, it looks big. And the 5 minutes are playing around here, so not good. No good. 1 minute and 30 seconds here. Re-break again. Can you re-break? Look at this 5. It's playing around, right? So, man, very ugly 5 minutes structure. So, sellers and buyers are activated here. Cool. So now we have clean traffic here on price on selling. So this is the clean traffic here. So once you re-break this low, we probably gonna melt down like this. So yeah, one more re-break. So re-breaking the high one more time. One more time, re-breaking the high there, chat. 23 seconds, we probably see that pushing further up. Let's see. So pay attention for closure, all right? Yeah, I'm buying gold. 2-1. Can you push further up? 30 minutes candle close. All right, let's see. Once you re-break, it will push further up. Can you re-break there? Can I see psst, chat? Psst. Can I see psst? Can I see psst? Psst, psst, chat. Psst. Re-break the high and push further up. Nice. Nice, nice. Nice, nice, nice. Can you push? I want to see push further up here. And once you re-break the 30 high here, it's gonna be blast off. So I'm gonna move my stops on the previous candle low. All right, this is how we're gonna manage the trade. Can you push further up here, man? Can I see psst, psst, man, psst. All right, you re-break there, chat. Very nice. How much? So I'm probably gonna move my stops to break even here. And probably close full now. And I picked 10. So I close at 10. I thought I'd close at 12. But I close at 10 pips. I close at 10 pips. The volume don't want to come. So I close at 10 pips, gang. Here's the thing. The re-break, the 30 re-break the previous here, right? But expecting the volume will come on this next 30 candle, because this next 30 candle is open of a new candle, right? Expecting that this will at least push further up here. But I see that the 30 is still struggling to push further up here, so I need to manage the trade. Otherwise, it will go back to break even or being drawdown again. I don't wanna happen because we went here on the 5. How many see that candles being drawdown here? Yeah, sometimes it will late candle, but sometimes if there is a lot of volume, as you can see, the 1 hour, this is volume, right? This 1 hour candle is volume. So basically, I expect the same volume on this 1 hour. At least you feel the range, you feel the wick on the left hand side here, but didn't happen. Sometimes, yeah, late candle is coming, but sometimes the late candle is not coming. So basically, the candle, once you open up, it will push further up. That's not the late candle. Late candle is basically the 30 minutes open, right? The 30 minutes open, struggle, melting down like this. And then suddenly, on the last 5 minutes of the candle, it will push further up like this. So that's the late candle. All right. But this one is not late candle. That's why I need to manage the trade because you re-break the high there. So once you re-break the high and then you go back down again once again, now this is the chance for the seller to blast off here, right? So look at this. This is the current structure, all right? And as you can see, this is our candle to push further up, right? So you re-break the high there. So basically, for me, as a price action trader, as a price action trader, I know the fact that once you re-break the previous candle high on the left, is you will see some blast off like this, moving up. But what happened here is struggle. Like once you re-break that, struggle here, didn't push through, and then you create a wick now like this. Now I need to manage the trade. Otherwise, it will hit my BE. Otherwise, I didn't take any profit for the day, for this trade, right? So I need to manage. Otherwise, we'll be in drawdown once again. So right now, if we didn't manage the trade here, I'm gonna be on drawdown here, or probably gonna hit the stops here. So that's how you anticipate the trade. That's how you gonna do the trade management there. Otherwise, man, the market will eat you here. All right. So you keep in mind, not every time that the candle will go through your bias, right? So what you're gonna do is you need um to do the trade management, risk management. So for me, trade management is a must. Otherwise, man, the market will eat me. So if we don't manage the trade here, probably gonna hit the stops here, because we are in the resistance area. I use the 1 hour for trade. I use the 1 hour candle to trade with, and we took a trade in here. So it's gonna be a little bit tough for us because we took the trades on the top, not in the bottom here, right? So if we took the trade here, we're good. Probably the stops is in the break even. Let it run towards to the upside. And as you can see, the 30 minutes just move only 20 pips, 28 pips. Nothing happened. So yeah, that's the trade. I took the trade. I got 10 pips only, but still W for the day. Still dubs for me, man. No complain. No complain. Still dubs. 10 pips on buys. Break current high. Okay, so breakout here, buy gold. London 12. This is gonna be 12 p.m. Man, 12 p.m. and then we go out at 12:30 p.m. What a nice. It's like a little bit swing, huh? Little bit swing there. Now you guys know how we gonna manage sometimes the trade. Now this zone is valid already because we create some sort of structure already here on price. So this zone is valid for selling to the downside. 10 pips, still dubs, still dubs. How much you got there, Reese? You got the same 10 or 7? So plus 10 pips. Yeah. So 50 wins, man. Bless God. God did. Yes, this one is God did. 50 wins, 7 loss, 5 break evens. You see that in the live stream, guys. Wow, too many people are dipping off here. I've seen, I think, 40 viewers, 35 viewers right now, or 18. Because the trade is finished. Man, interesting, huh? Once we got the trade, everyone is dipping off. How much you guys take profit, or you guys still holding the trade? Let me know. Type in the chat if someone holding the trade, let me know, man. Look at the 15 here, close bullish, right? So this is the structure on the 15. So I'm gonna show you guys. This is the structure of the 15, right? And then bullish, close respecting, but the 15 re-break the high here. It's happened like this. So once you re-break the, I mean, we anticipating the at least weak fill on the left, but it didn't happen, man. We're not holding the market. We're not the market maker, the market movers. So I got 6 pips only just before it went back down. Yeah, W. At least we manage, right? If we don't manage there, man, we'll hit the stops probably. I need to manage. So if this, see that if this candle didn't re-break the high there, we're probably gonna hit the stops because I moved my stop here below on the 30 minutes re-break here. 30 minutes low. So probably hit the stops now. Yeah, W management there, W. Chat, make sure you like the stream. All right. If you wanna take more trades, like the stream, subs to the channel, follow me on IG for more trading content. See that it still looks good, but the 15 is trying to make some here. It's playing around. The 15 is playing around, so I don't like this. The 15 and 30 is playing around here, man. Look at that. Re-break the low now. Re-break the high again. My golly. So how many sellers been activated here on price? Probably too many sellers activated here now. And then once this, man, it will push further up. Late candle. Late candle. Doom, doom, doom. Gold is playing. True that. 30, what you gonna do? You feel the range, you feel the wick. Next 15 probably, or you gonna push further up now. And look at this, man. Look at this. Very ugly here on price. So too many sellers activated now here. And their stops is up here. Now let's see who's gonna win. Buyers or sellers? So chat. Sellers is activated here on the rebreak the low. Okay. They're gonna enter a trade here on the rebreak the low. Alright, so their stop, they're gonna keep up here. And then let's see who will win on this buy or sell. Because on selling, you have clean range on the left here. This is clean. But the problem here is the gold's still bullish on price, especially in the 1 hour and the 4. So yeah, 25 seconds for candle close. The 15 doesn't look good. Doesn't look good. This is the liquidity chat. Liquidity. All right. Close above the range. Close above. Minimum, you'll feel the range here. The wick. How many of you guys are holding the trade here? How many of you guys still on buys, or if you guys on the sells? Let me know. Drop in the chat. Let me know who's on buys, who's on sells. Drop in the chat. Still holding the buy or holding the sells? Probably buy. W on sells. Oh wow. Good job. See, I'm just observing for now. Okay. So now in the 30, I need to see close above. Like this. No fast to push further up. Once this 30 close above the range, now we're gonna give it second try. Second try and buys up. Chat, make sure you like the stream, gang. Like the stream. Subs to the channel too. Share it with your friends. Like the stream, subs to the channel. Struggle. chat. If you have any questions, let me know. Drop in the chat. Drop it in the chat. Oh, bakit naka-sells? Buy pala tayo. Sorry. We took buy. We got buys. Buys ba nalagay ko? Oh yeah, buy. This month, I'm up 105 pips. W. This week, and it start Monday 9. So, 59 pips. Cool. Double it in on buy. Wow. Up and down, huh? Good job. Trading up and down. Market condition right now doesn't look good, especially on the daily here. We're just printing side by side again. One hour close, the 4 hour open will give us volume here. 1 hour impulse good for buys up. Let's see. Yeah, 1 hour rebreak the high on the previous candle will good for buys up. Yeah, probably gonna give it second try here, chat. In 7 minutes. Second shot. I think we'll wait for breakout for buys. Yeah. Need to see break above. Or if I'm gonna use the 1 hour, it looks clean on the one. Right? So for me, I can use 1, I can use 30, I can use 15. Because right now it's still bullish. No sell here. Right? No sell. So I'm gonna look for just enter a buy on price. So once you re-break the high on the 30, it's good for buys up because a new 4 hour open, a new 1 hour open. So if that happen, will give us volume to push further up here. Entering buy on the re-break of the high there. In a 1, it looks clean. We'll put stops below here. Right? Because as you can see, there is too many liquidities here. I don't think that we can, grab orders once again before driving up here. I don't think. Minimum here, you feel the range on the left. This one. In this structure right now, minimum here, you're gonna feel the range here. Once this 15 close, bullish or bearish like this, or bearish like this, small body with the bottom wick, huge bottom wick. Once you re-break the high here, yeah, minimum will pops up because new candle open 4 hour, 1 hour, 30 and 15. So volume, probably that's the volume now. So pay attention here on the one. So once you re-break the 1 hour high, boom, it's gonna looks like this. Minimum here. Give it second shot. Chat, make sure you like the stream. Alright? Like the stream, subs to the channel. Mm-mm. Three minutes and 28 seconds. Hmm. 15 glow back in the range. Not good. One hour close bearish back in the range. No bottom wick on the 15. Market. Today market is right. Yeah, market is playing around here. So be careful, gang. Be careful. Now I know. Now I know we're playing. The gold is playing here. So this zone is valid already, gang. This zone, once you any close above the range, it's good for buys up. All right. Yeah, but the selling here for me, no bottom wick on price on the 15. Not good. Re-break the low here again. Okay, re-break the low. Sellers is activated. I don't know, man. Why the price is like this? Yeah, we have clean range on the left. So don't want to take sells because no bottom wick. No bottom wick. 30 close bearish. 4 hour bullish still. So basically in the 4, we might see the same steeper bottom wick. So we might see, because we have steeper bottom wick here on price, right? This one. Steeper bottom wick, steeper, steeper. So we might see that on this candle. The same. Okay, so yeah. If because this is steeper, the meaning of this steeper is a range. Okay, this range, this wicks is equals a range. So there is some choppy range happening on this wicks. So be careful. But on sells, looks good to down here to fill the range here at least. And next support is here. Support, support, support. Ugly, main. But we took the trades already, gang. 10 pips. Not bad. Right? We take that today. I expect that the 30 close. Man, I'm expecting the 30 close like this on price. And then the next 30 or hourly candle, push further up. We enter here, but didn't happen. Re-break the low. We have 15 close bearish back in the range. This one. So that's why I push further down. It happens. But the good thing we took out the trade management there. Otherwise, stops it here. But good thing we managed the trade. 1 hour, yeah, Harley Cross bearish. So expect volume to go down. No good. It's possible they're manipulating the chart right now. I don't think I manipulate. Yeah, it depends. Right now, I don't think they're because right now we're in the resistance zone on the 30, and as you can see, once you top the 30 here structure, you're gonna base on the structure, right? So this is the structure of the 30. So what happened here once you top and you close bearish resistance, you have resistance, you have new resistance there. And then what happened now? Now you push further down, right? Because you have resistance on the left. You respect the price, resistance is there, form resistance. Now we're pushing down. That's how you're gonna anticipate the market. Where's the market gonna head? By mirroring the previous structure. Makes sense. So that's how you're gonna anticipate that by mirroring the pattern. Pattern. Man, we melt down here. Cool. All right, we feel the range already. Right, we feel the range. Interesting here. Steeper. I don't think we create steeper bottom wick because right now we're pushing down further, even further here. So once this candle close even further here, I'm still bullish here because for the 4 hour, we're just grabbing orders on price here, support, or probably here. We can melt because we still have 3 hours and 51 minutes here. Anything can happen here. All right. And as you can see, the daily bearish. Now it makes sense to me because the daily is bearish. All right. Doji bearish. On the first idea, and 12 p.m. idea is we expect the re-break the previous candle high there if we push further up. But it didn't happen. Okay. And the 4 didn't happen, didn't push further. The 1 didn't push further. And the 30 didn't push further. But the good thing, we got the trade out. All right. Got the trade out. Now it makes sense because you feel the range. First, right? As you can see, feel the range here. Now, any close bullish here, it's good for buys up to retest that high. You just need to wait for some support form to push further up. So yeah, that's the idea. Chat, I hope you guys are learning every single day, all right? In terms of price action, market structure, how to read price action and market structure. I hope you guys understand. So I'm always telling you guys, if you have any questions, you can drop in the chat. So you guys to know and to learn. Because when I'm, telling this to you guys, the structures like this, I'm learning too, right? I'm learning too. Ganda ng sell ng AI ko. Wow. Solid nga. Solid nga ni. Oh, yep. Oh, rejecting here. Steeper bottom wick. Nice. So, once this candle flip, that's the steeper bottom wick. We expect steeper bottom wick on price. Yeah, like on the stream, gang. Like the stream. Like the stream. Even you watching TV, your big TV, man, you can like the stream there by clicking the button, the thumbs up button. Let's go. Like the stream. Sellers win here on price. Sellers are win here. TP hit. TP hit. Aish. No buenos now. W's. Yeah, W, bro. W. Chat. So I don't think we'll have a new setup here, but yeah, I'm gonna call it the stream now. I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow, man. So we took one trade today, buys 10 pips. I'll take that. Probably gonna come back later tonight on NY. Let's see if we're gonna have some Zoom later. I'm gonna message in the chat in the group. All right. So yeah, man.
Yes, I did. So I packed it up and brought it back to the crib.
Chat. See you guys tomorrow. Love and wisdom. I'm out here, chat. Peace, peace. W's all the way out, chat. W's in the chat. W's in the chat. Let's go.
You don't see just how wild the crowd is. You don't see just how fly my style is. I don't see why I need a stylist. When I shot so much, I can speak Italian. I don't know, I just want it better for my kids. And I ain't saying we was from the projects, but every time I want to lay away or deposit, my dad'd say when you see clothes, close your eyelids. We was sorta like Will Smith and his son. In the movie, I ain't talking about the rich ones. Cause every summer, he'd get some brand new hairbrain scheme to get rich from. And I don't know what he did for dope, but he'd send me back to school with a new wardrobe. And I think he did when he packed it up and brought it back to the crib. Just a little something, show you how we live. Everything I wanted, man, it seems so serious. That's that shit. So if you gon' do it just like this. Did you realize that you are a champion? When it feel like living's harder than dying. For me, giving up's way harder than trying. Lauryn Hill said her heart was in Zion. I wish her heart still was in rhyming. Cause who the kids gon' listen to? Huh? I guess me if it isn't you. Last week I paid a visit to the institute.